Hey everyone, this is Homeschool Arcade helping educators thrive, and in this video, we're going to give you a quick explanation of nutrition. So let's check it out. So what is nutrition? Nutrition to us is like what sunlight and water are to plants, or fuel in a car, or frog eggs to Baby Yoda. In short, nutrition deals with the provision of essential, important nutrients in food that are necessary to support life and good health. Now, the science of nutrition includes areas such as, nutrition's impact on growth, your body's maintenance, health, and dealing with disease. So to sum up nutrition is about getting what is best in the body to get the very best out of the body. So that's it. That's a quick definition of nutrition. So, should adults and kids alike care about nutrition? Is it really that important? Definitely. Nutrition impacts growth, development, and maintaining your health over your life. So be on the lookout for our first full lessons in nutrition, which will include an introduction and an overview. After that, expect to see more videos with lots of important information on nutrition topics for you and your family. And it's our hope, that even parents will benefit from the knowledge in these videos. So if you like this video and are looking forward to this topic, go ahead and click that like button, click subscribe and the bell so you won't miss anything as it comes out. So let's get to it.